Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. This is another video for the business planning series that I'm doing for YouTube. In this video and in the following videos, I'm going to show you how to compile an expenses forecast. And this is the forecast that I'll show you or demonstrate to you how to put together. It's very straightforward and it links well to the sales forecast that I demonstrated in the previous videos. It covers 3 years, and we're also going to just modify the sales forecast template created in the previous videos to create the expenses forecast. If you have joined this business plan series with this video, just click on the link here and I'll show you how to make a sales forecast, and then we'll use that template to create this expenses forecast. If you're not interested in making a sales forecast, you should be able to join just now and create an expenses forecast without the sales forecast template. So this is what it's going to look like, and with expenses laid out for 3 years, you'll have totals for the category of expense per year, you'll have totals per month of expenditure, and a grand total for the year. This is the sales forecast from the previous videos. Just highlight all that information, including the total gross profit and percentage, and delete that. I've got a graph here, let's delete that. Delete these headings. Right click on line 3, click insert. Do the same at 17 and 30. Merge and center, drag that across, merge and center, drag that across, and then we'll do the same down here. You'll have 4 columns that are merged and centered because the total gross profit and total gross profit percentage. We just want to line everything up. So merge and center just above and below, and then when that is all merged and centered, highlight everything and drag it across so we have loads of columns that are merged and centered. Highlight line 17, click bold, right click, format cells, border at the top of the text, click OK. So we have a border come in. We can do the same with 30, make it bold, right click, format cells, border above the text, OK, and the same down the bottom. As mentioned in the previous videos, these forecasts and statements I'm showing you to do are not ideally for presentation. They're more so there to help you understand what a forecast is, or what a particular statement is, why we use them, and how they're created, more so than presenting one in some sort of portfolio. It's more important you understand the mechanics of these forecasts and statements, and then you can spend time presenting them yourselves. Okay, so that's done. At the top here, so line 4, we're going to enter the headings for each expense. Some expenses forecasts will not include products to be bought for resale, but this expenses forecast will. So we have product A, product B, office rent or warehouse rent, office supplies, and I'm just going to go ahead and enter the rest of these headings in. Okay, so I've entered those headings. You may have more expenses than this, but this is just to give you an idea and is acting as an example. So we have product A, product B, office rent, office supplies, postage, packaging, wages, accountancy fees, travel expenses, client entertaining, motor expenses, training, bank interest, bank charges, marketing, and miscellaneous. And I've created lots more columns ready for any more expenses that we may add in. Another important expense that I haven't added in is new assets, and I'll come to this in a minute. And we'll move miscellaneous just there. Highlight all the headings and make them unbold, and then highlight the chart where all the blank data is, right click, format cells, and ensure that we're set on currency 2 decimal places, and you can add a symbol if you like, the pound symbol or dollar symbol or what is ever relevant to your business. We're going to add a formula right here, equals sum, open bracket, DNE5 to DE16, close bracket, enter, and drag that across. Change the font size, do the same here, equals sum, open bracket, so January to December, close bracket, enter. Let's drag that across, change the font size, equals sum, open bracket, January to December, so DE31 to DE42, close bracket, enter, and let's drag that across. MBC 17, enter total, highlight 17, right click, format cells. If we go to alignment, you'll remember that we put the text in this vertical orientation for the sales forecast. Just click on the diamond there, make sure we're at 0 degrees, click enter, make sure it's 11. Font size 11. Let's do the same here, right click, format cells, orientation, 11, total, do the same down the bottom here, total. Okay, and then we'll carry on with the next video. The next video should be a similar length, and that should be enough to cover this expenses forecast. Thank you for watching. Please use the link on the right here to watch the next video.